Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So I really had to come on here really quick and give you guys this story because when I first saw this video on social media, it really hurt my soul because of everything that has been happening with women and women disappearing, and also the amount of women that was killed last year because of domestic violence issues with their partner. If you guys didn't know, Jamaican women are the second most likely in the world to be killed by their partners. And to see this video and see men standing there and not doing anything to help this woman, they didn't even grab the guy and say, "My youth, what you do? You can't do that." Or somebody picked me too. They just stood there and watched. Waste boy, waste man, weak fence. Honestly, somebody needs to beat the boy the same way how him beat the girl in the video. And all of the man them will stand up there and watch the girl get beaten need a hard box in them face. I want to them man nowadays, man. What is wrong with these men nowadays? They have no morals, no integrity, no alphaism anymore, if that is even a word. Like a pair beta males we have in our society, and this is very sad. Also, Dexta Daps and Wally British got into a spat about this whole thing, and Dexter said some stuff because Wally British said somebody need to find him and kill him because he shouldn't be beating the girl like that. Dexter said something under made a comment and said, "Kill him for that." Yes, kill him for that. Um, Women have been dying in Jamaica for years now, and I've never seen Dexter come out and talk about protecting women and protecting kids and children, but him come out they try to defend this guy that is beating the hell out of this girl. Anyways, Dexter needs to be very careful because his core fan base is female, and the mere fact that he came out and said this during this time with the state that women are under in Jamaica says a lot about him and a lot about his character and who he is. But people out the road they said Dexter beat me never say Dexter that beat no woman in real life. Me just repeat what me say on social media and what other people have been saying. Don't come kill me. Now that them say Dexter, you must know. Okay, it's all allegedly. Alleged information, honey. I understand that what the bitches shouldn't have said that the man needs for dead, but sometimes some of these men for dead. The amount of women that have died from domestic violence in Jamaica, one and two of the man them can dead too, and for even the scale for and to put some fear in these men heart to know say if you beat one woman somebody will come kill you. Like it's that serious because obviously they don't have anything put in place to put fear in their heart so they don't do this to other women or women in general. So I wanted to give you guys an update because this video went viral on social media and the police got involved. They picked this guy up, and it says a Westmoreland woman seen in a viral video being punched repeatedly by her boyfriend has reportedly told police investigators that she does not wish to press criminal charges against him. In a release issued on Thursday, the police corporate communications unit said Westmoreland police intervened in what is called a case of domestic violence. The incident happened in Farm Pen district in the district. The CCU says both individuals were taken to police station where they were questioned, and the young woman said she did not wish to pursue the matter.
Global legend, name Kevin Rutherford. This is me and my woman colleague Smith, and she live together. As you can see, we love each other deeply, And the local video will go viral.
Also, I love him same way too.
The video will go viral. We apologize to every viewers. That would just a little slice or clip music video where you put some little pieces together, because if you go on the internet, YouTube right now, Global Legend, just type in Global Legend. If you spell a legend, L-E-G-E-N, not D. It's spelled like a name, you know? Legend. Just global space and legend. Yeah. And we see all of my songs and thing, because we are doing 33 mixtape. Within the time of May, everything will be out there for you to see more about Global Legend. Yes, Mr. Larry is one of my hit songs also. So viewers, don't take this personal, because everything we're seeing right now is all about a
In the meantime, the Restorative Justice Unit for the parish, as well as the conflict resolution personnel, has been asked to intervene. The couple has since released a new video on social media protesting their love for each other. In it, the male conceded that there was an altercation, but said the first video was part of a drama that should have not been circulated. So in the video that they're talking about how them love them one another and all these things, you can see the man tapping the girl's side and tell her to speak. Typical woman in domestic violence situation. The man have to tell her when it's okay to speak. That right there is a recipe for disaster. And I understand that with domestic violence issues, especially with females, they are the ones that can help themselves. Nobody can't help them more than they want to help themselves. So me hope she get herself out of this situation, and me hope Dexta Daps stay in place next time. Big up to Wally British, because she is actually speaking out and speaking their mind. She don't try sugarcoat anything to please anybody, because that's just exactly how she feels. And I understand that she's an influential person. She needs to watch how she speaks, but it is what it is. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
I know you not tell no lie upon me, because I think straight now to the police, them are ready. So I don't want nobody feels me, nobody, I don't want you even walk and call up my name, so I call you. You even call you and I make you a ball, so you're lied. You're really lied.
Artist play a tune, man. See me, man.
Make it artist do us and put up it right now.
Artist play a tune, man. Who's the British?
Originally, you know, you said people you must can see liars them, you see me? Yeah, man, because snake around the grass have to come out for you, see them. But them can't pies with no venom, no day, no time. You get the pre?
Where black one, you know Wally British?
Yeah, so you see Wally British now. See the original, man. They're beside her and she attack, you know. You get the pre? Them they lie, they just to get little views. You see me? Just you see. One of my little G them put up one little thing. You get the pre? Yo, people need to know this originally and